Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our nightly Dars Quran. In our previous session, we were discussing the ayah where Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam were building the Holy Kaaba, and having built it, they raised their hands in humility and prayed, "Oh Allah, accept this from us." This had evoked the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that how obedient are my servants, that having done this for me, they are still asking for my acceptance. Their eyes and hearts are towards me. Now Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to them, ask whatever you want from me and it will be granted. And this is what they say. Rabbana, this is in surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 128. Rabbana waj'alna muslimayni lak. That, oh Allah, we ask you to keep us Muslims. Now this wasn't an ordinary family or a family that was struggling with the philosophy of religion, or was not sure whether they were atheists or polytheists, or these were messengers of Allah. But what they spoke, what they said, was a guidance for us till Yawm al-Qiyamah. That no matter who you are, always be aware that being a Muslim is a privilege, is an honor, and it is only by the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you will have that. So at all stages, be mindful, particularly in this day and age, where we are attacked philosophically, where there are sophistry means very complex false arguments put together. We live in that type of age. Having made this dua, they say, Wamin. Wa means and. So they wanted something else. They wanted to stay Muslim, and Wamin dhurriyatina ummatan muslimatan lak. Oh Allah, make our generations Muslims. So this is the thinking of awliya, this is the thinking of messengers, that they're not just thinking about themselves, but they're thinking about their next generation. And if we're serious about that, it means that we are thinking about who we're marrying. And when I say marrying, and people often say that, we're going to marry somebody very pious, but ask yourselves, what tarbiyah did you give your own son and your own daughter? Did you train them to be the next generation of husband and wife? And this is a responsibility on our shoulders who are parents. And some people say it begins when they're 12, 13, 14, 15. The Salaha say it begins even before birth. So when you're a couple and you're planning, you should be asking Allah, give us name Salih Awlad. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to stay Muslims and recognize the privilege of being Muslims, and may our generations be true lovers of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, true Muslims. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.